Hi everyone, so today, Rounds Adventures, we're in York. We're going to have a look around today, see what we can see. Been here before, but have a better look today. Just join us as we walk around York. Don't forget to click and subscribe and watch the videos going forward. Yeah, so we're just in Coppergate. We parked in Coppergate at the bottom of, basically the bottom of York, and we're just going to walk our way through various places, have a look at various shops and stuff. You won't see every shop, just in case it's like normal shops. But anything sort of interesting, I'll show you. Yeah, let's go and join me further in. Let's go.